So now I'm pretty sure you guys think, oh, this is just another clickbait video. Just put it, give them a dislike. But this actual computer is like it's not even well worth over $50. It's like I'm pretty sure it's like worth $30. I even gave it a brief estimate, and I thought it was $5 for it at best if I resold this computer. So if you guys want to join, just continue watching the video. But the computer is real, and I will be using that computer for hosting the server. So this quarantine is driving me crazy. It's making me bored. I don't know. I made a Minecraft server. If you want to join, I'll show you how. Easy. Only can host up to 4 players. It's only on Java Edition, and the highest update is 1.2.5. Yes, it's... Sorry, I had to fake cough there really hard, but it's a Minecraft server that I'll be hosting for 1.2.5. I figured out a way to host a Minecraft server without having the issue of just technological issues. It's the most annoying thing that you come across with just the internet and everything, and just it's annoying, but I figured it out, and it'll help a few friends. They recommended some programs that I could use that you guys are gonna have to use to join the server. It's not just like, oh, okay, I just give you the IP. I still have to give you for the server address, but there is also an additional program that you have to download, and I'll show you how to install and everything, and blah 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 blah. And everyone's like, oh, how do you do this? So tutorial kind of. I honestly don't know. So you just you hit Google Chrome, you go Radmin. I'll throw you guys the link in the description, but if you can't do that, just type in radmin.vpn, and Radmin VPN is a free software. You just click download and it should start installing. So I already have it open here. So you already install that, and then once it's done downloading, you just open her up. And it's really cool. It's like makes a network inside like with the computer, so that people can actually join your server. And it's very annoying when you have to go through your internet settings and stuff like that. So this is like getting rid of your bypassing that. So just click yes on the information. You just go to English, and this program, yeah, it says this program's already installed. Doesn't matter where you install it. It just says it'll just show you that the way to install it. It's just a bunch of other stuff. Then you go to your Minecraft. So your Minecraft is definitely going to have some stuff with it. So with Minecraft, you're going to need to go. So you're on your main page, and you're like, okay, so I want to join this server. So you go to your installations. That's the first thing you do, and you click new. And then you name it whatever you want. This video and channel is dying for reals this time. I'm not kidding. How long can I make this name? Sorry for wasting your precious... I can't even type. Sorry for wasting your time. The end. Wow, that's very, very long. All right, so you just go there. So you make your installation, and then you choose your release, and you just you click 1.2.5. You don't need to click server, because that's if you want to host the server. That's completely different. And if you want your game to run better, depending on well your computer runs, switch this 2 to a 4, and it should help. Just in your JVM argument, it's really easy to do. It's just you switch that 2 to a 4. If you got a god tier gaming computer, depending on how much RAM you have, then you probably don't mess with the number. If your computer is really bad, like if your computer's garbage, like it's a laptop, then you don't want to mess with that number. But if you have a really good computer, just you can switch that 2 to a 4 and test it. And if it's still good, then you can keep bumping that number up until basically it's worth half of your RAM. If you don't know how to check your RAM, really easy to check it. You just go type your search, you go Task Manager, and so it should say more details right here, and then it says for performance, and you should click your memory, and it's right here. So always set it to half of what your RAM size is. If you set it more than what your RAM is, your computer will just, if you set it more than what your RAM, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't take up all of your RAM, unless if you have a terrible computer like I do, explaining this. But if you have a terrible RAM stick like you just don't have much RAM, like you've only 4 gigabytes if you for say, then don't change that number because it may lag. If you want to, go ahead, it's your choice. But it just will speed up your game if you're having some issues with the game, or it's just not loading, or it's just having some problems. Changing that number around and playing around with it will always fix it, or will always change the outcome of how well your game will play. So I've already done that, so I'm going to delete this. Alright, I'm going to delete that. Can I delete it? No, I can't delete it. Okay, there we go. So MC server test, that's what I named mine, and I will open my server, and it's very easy to connect, and you just need to type in these numbers, and I will throw them down in the description. Very easy to see. So, and you just literally, it's all copy paste. So when you join, before we start up the Minecraft, I know it's gonna boot up this window here. All right, before you guys get a seizure from OBS. So Radmin VPN, I didn't explain that. So network, if you want to join a network, you just type in, so you type in your network name, it is USWHub, and it will be, the password will be USWGameHub. If you guys want to see what it looks like on screen, if you can't copy and paste or whatever, it should look like USWGameHub. I think it's, if it doesn't work, just put an S at the end of game and it should do its thing. And yeah, so when you click join, you should be able to go to a join, and it's a private network. So when you click join, you're in the network. And what I don't want to see is like all these random computer names in the network. So what you need to do is just you right click on your name here, like your computer name, and you change your name and you change it to your username or whatever way you want to call it. So change it to like something like your Discord name so people know who you are, or your Minecraft name, something that's similar so that people know if you're online or not, if they're having issues with the server or whatever. So that is always good to see. So we can delete that. So these are just a bunch of the people that I already wanted to sign up here. I'm also hosting on turn servers, by the way, so that's another thing. So we get into Minecraft, and we're going to stop that. We get into Minecraft, and we're just going to boot up multiplayer here. And multiplayer, you're going to want to click add server after you click multiplayer. And if you get an error when you launch the game, really easy fix. I know it may be tough, but I will explain a few things. Before you do this, and I want to explain it, before you decide to wipe all of your Minecraft data, the easiest way to fix this is by just deleting your Minecraft folder. If you have a lot of saved content on there, or a lot of worlds, mods, and stuff like that, or a lot of progress, you probably shouldn't do that, because this is just a small server. If it's only for people who are bored, you shouldn't just destroy thousands of hours of work on your finest Minecraft builds into the garbage just to join my server. I appreciate that you would want to join, but you don't have to. But this is just a tutorial on how to. So if it doesn't work for you, and it gives you this weird error message saying Minecraft has encountered a problem, then your only fix is deleting the Minecraft folder and then opening Minecraft again, and it should reinstall that folder into your computer. So that's just a warning, fair warning to people who have that issue. So, but past that issue, so the server name, you can name it anything. Name me anything. Alright, and the server address, what you're going to want to type the server address is, the server address will be, here let me do this. So the server address will be the USWHub host, so it will be 26.1.133.64, and then you just click done, and you should be able to have a connection. Now there's multiple of these, but we can delete this, but there should be it's up and running right now, so it's going to be on for most of the day. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to leave it open. I've tried to set up these weird updates in the computer and it kind of broke, and I don't know what's been going on with it, but I think I've kind of found an exploit to disable the updating, sort of. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I fiddle around with Task Manager and started disabling certain stuff, and it doesn't seem like there's quote-unquote updates going to happen. So that's one thing for sure. It's stuck at 99%. It won't actually finalize the updates. It will just crash and then try to reinstall the updates again. And sometimes it causes server lag. So if you're having server issues and the server's lagging, just tell me. Just hit me up on Discord, WolfRage99 hashtag 6169. If you're having any Discord issue, or if you have not Discord issues, server issues, just hit me up on Discord, and I should be able to fix the problem, because it's usually just that one thing that pops up on that computer, because it's not, because I'm hosting this on a different computer, not actually my own. It is a different computer that I use to run Minecraft, and that computer won't run anything else, but it is good for running servers and just doing its basic function. It can host up to 4 players max, and it shouldn't lag too much. Although it is Java 1.2.5, it's gonna be a little laggy, but it is what it is. And if you want to join, if you want to invite friends, tell your friends to watch this video, share this with friends, family, or anything, and you can join the server. It's open most of the time. And yeah, if you have any problems, I can always check the logs that it sends me, because there's always some logs that the server will send me, and I can always read your issue out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any issues with the server or anything else, just tell me, and I can always try to help fix it. Unlike the Minecraft realm, unfortunately, if you guys are wondering what happened to my Minecraft realm, well, the Minecraft realm kind of broke and it crashed. The account no longer has access to the realm, and plus we do not have enough funds to keep the realm open, because it just went dead after a week. So I thought, you know what, we'll just try something different with Minecraft. And I know you guys like Minecraft, because it's just a holy whopping 200 views went on that Minecraft video, and that is my most viewed video on YouTube I've ever made. I mean, I had videos from the past, but copyright issues, but that is my most viewed video of Minecraft. So that is quite an interesting thing. It's probably laggy because I'm using OBS to, it's like going frame by frame, I think. I don't even know. I'm not looking, I can't prematurely look at the recording footage, but last time I tried recording on OBS, it just didn't want to run. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything else, just ask me in the comment section or on Discord. If you guys like this video, please drop a like, and if we can get to 5 videos, maybe we can, or not 5 videos, 5 likes. If we can get 5 likes, we can definitely try to make a survival series on here. That'll be quite cool. So I want to see if anyone would be interested in joining that survival series. Fortunately enough, or unfortunately enough, it is only 4 players that can join. But we will probably go to an area where most people won't find us, so that, you know, progress or anything else won't be impeded. But yeah, if you guys really enjoyed this video, thank you for watching until the end. I'm surprised that you guys stayed until the end. It works. It will be running most of the time. Sometimes when the server shuts down, it's either that the server can't go online, the computer crashed, or just Windows security updates are running anonymously in the background, and it's causing a lot of lag and issues. But other than that, there should be no big deal. We're trying to come up with a fix to get rid of this issue, so just maybe in the next video I might mention it. I'll give you an update if you want. Discord. In the Discord will be linked down below. We'll give you a lot of the description. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you watching into the end, as well as happy 230 subscribers. Even though it went down to 229. Thank you guys for really supporting my channel and my content. We got to get this channel going, because now is kind of like the great time to do it. You know, new season. Well, it's not even a new season. It's like a new event, new world event. Everything's happening. You know, the internet exploding and all that stuff. So we're gonna try out. We're gonna try this, and so just share this to your friends if you want to play with your friends on a server. I know sometimes servers can have difficulty like hosting and stuff like that, so don't worry. This server shouldn't be too much of a problem because the lag is low. Any computer would be able to run this. If you have any issues, always ask me, and I can try to come up with a fix for it. If it's a Minecraft file issue, well, you'll have to replace the Minecraft file. If you've never played Minecraft before and there's another bug or something, I'll try to help you as best as I can, but no guarantees that we can fix this bug. So, but thank you guys for watching. If you guys appreciate, thank you guys for watching again. I think I repeated myself like 20 times in this video. Oh well, thanks guys. See ya.